Hey guys, how you doing? Hank Hayes here, Intuitive Self-Protection and onlineammo.com, onlineammo.com. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot some PMC bronze. And this is really good, 115, 1150 feet per second ammo. So we're just gonna do a performance test, and the guys at Ammo Online have a great assortment of ammo at outstanding prices. So you're gonna wanna go and check that out. But we're gonna do a performance test, and we're gonna give you a little tip on drawing from concealment and engaging targets out to, that's about 45 feet. And we're gonna hit 1, 2, 3 of those poppers, and we're gonna engage each target one time, and we're gonna just have some fun with it. All right, so we're gonna load and make ready. I'm gonna prep this mag for a quick reload. So here we go. So when we do a draw from concealment, you are gonna grab garment, clear garment, access weapon, bring the weapon up into play. You're gonna release the garment, you're gonna punch out your target, and there we go. And those are our target hits, all right? So now those poppers went down. The first one didn't go down, so we're gonna work that one again. So now we don't have to reload, we're all set, but I might have to do a reload in the middle of this process. But again, from here, clear garment, access weapon, draw out, punch. Simple and easy. Make sure you clear garment, bring the garment up into the workspace, release that garment, build your grip, present your weapon out, make sure your dot's on target, and engage that threat. AmmoOnline.com, Intuitive Self-Protection. Look forward to delivering you more tips and tricks and quality ammo.